Well, welcome to Pennsylvania. It is the second day of spring. This is what it looks like out here. Looks pretty beautiful. Of course, school got canceled again today, so no teaching. And I have a feeling that there's not going to be any school tomorrow either. By the looks of it, it looks pretty. I mean, it's supposed to snow up until through the night, I think, yet. So it's almost. Looks like there's almost a foot of ground out here, a foot of snow out here already. So I think it's iffy for tomorrow. And I didn't. Other days when we got off of school, I went out hiking. Not all those videos are up yet, but today the roads are just pretty bad. So I just stayed home. Did a lot of research on YouTube and other sites. Yeah, so with this much snow, I'm not sure when I'll get out again. I thought about getting snowshoes this winter, but I never did then. But the weather's not going to warm up terribly quickly either, so I'm not sure how quickly the snow will melt. But I still have videos to upload, so there won't be a interruption in my videos. I have the dog's barking. I still have like 7 videos that I haven't uploaded yet that are waiting. So there won't be an interruption in videos, but I'm not sure when I'll get out hiking again. But it is beautiful out here. I feel like I almost should have gone out hiking today, but yeah. Wow. Yeah, it's a wet snow, so it's just sticking to everything. Makes it look really nice out here. Yeah, check out these shots along the creek here, in my backyard. Yeah. Yeah, I kind of wish it wasn't snowing. I wish, spring would come. That would be in the 60s already, but, with scenery like this, man, this is nice. I know I'll get tired of this snow if it doesn't melt right away, but right now it looks really pretty. Yeah, it is beautiful scenery out here. But anyway, I just thought I'd give you a little update what's happening here in Pennsylvania. So, by the looks of it, this is what, March 20, was this the 21st or 22nd? I forget. I said the second day of spring, I guess. Maybe it's the third day. I forget. But I don't know if I'll get any hiking until April now. But that's the way it is. Alright. I'll see you around.